I am going for a KL staycation with my uni friends. Hi guys, I hope you guys are doing amazing, doing good, doing great, and not sure if you guys can tell, I'm pretty excited right now, but I try to hold it in. So basically, I am going for a KL staycation with my uni friends. They are actually coming over to my house today, going to spend some time. I am currently packing my stuff. It's actually 11 AM dah sekarang. When it comes to packing, usually I'm always the last minute person, but I thought might as well share with you guys some of the outfits that I'll be bringing. It's gonna be a lot more than this, but this is like the main, so yeah. Okay, so guys, I don't know where to start. Okay, let's start with today. Okay, today kita akan gerak to KL. I'll be wearing just a cute little skirt. I would say this is the skirt that I'm going for. It has stars pattern. This is from Cotton On, by the way. And I'm going to pair this with just a basic linen cotton shirt and also a pair of white sneakers. As always, this is the shawl. Also, this is the bag that I'll be bringing with me to put all this stuff, all the clothes and outfits. And then for the second day, actually, we are going to tea time at 38 KL. I'll be wearing white dress. I love the texture, I love the pattern. I don't know what you call this, embroidery, is it? Correct me if I'm wrong though. And I'm going to complete this look with a cardigan, of course. Gotta keep it halal, guys. And this I got from this store called Psychedelic. Is that how you pronounce it? Psychedelic store. And this white cardigan is from Cotton On. For the last day, this is quite exciting juga. I'm still in dilemma. Actually, I don't know which outfits to go for. Whether to go with this skirt and white cardigan or this dress. I got both of these also from Cotton On. This is very cute, guys. I went to Cotton On and I didn't plan to buy this at first, okay? But they have it in my size, and how can I say no to this cute white cherry dress? Like, can you imagine how cute it is? It's either this or this. I think I'll decide later. Yeah, but I think that's about it. This just basic white cardigan. Got this from Shopee. It's pretty okay, I guess. Gotta iron it so it will be more presentable. But yeah, so now I have to fold all of this again, and we'll catch up to you guys later. Are here. I'm going to pick them up at the lobby, and yeah, I cannot wait to share some footage with you guys. Oh my god. Taklah, janganlah buka dah, start dah. Start dah, macam penat nak buka nanti. Hi, this is my creative friends, Pika, Aisha, Farzana.
Dia macam layan boyfriend tau, macam tu lah. Lelaki yang tak ambil tahu kan.
Nasib baik saya
Itulah masalah dia.
Apa tu? Welcome.
Dah agak dia tengah rakam. Dapat welcome kita yang tak buat apa-apa.
Tu. Guys, ada orang call.
Terima kasih Amira.
Terima kasih Mira Chan. Tak payahlah macam tu.
My bunga. Flower.
Macam biasa. Dia macam mana-mana. Oi.
Diorang ni memang reaction machine.
Oh my god, pink colour. Oh my god.
Wait. Why you know I
Tak, sekarang ni I boleh jadi tinggi. Hello. Tak. Mana pilih
Tak kalah, tak
satu.
kalah.
Butterfly.
No. Kita
So,
lah okey.
So we're done getting ready.
Aisyah gerak sikit kau.
Ina dah buka ke?
Dia nak gaduh.
Siapa nak gaduh sini. Let's go.
Jom.
Okay.
You buy your friend like chocolate. You say you will go where nobody knows, with guns hidden under our petticoats. We're never gonna quit it, no, we're never gonna quit it, no.
I nak beli satu.
Kongsi je.
Lagi soda satu beli satu. Okey. Pada sini sebab I nak benda tu. Kira kongsi. Pasal I berhenti je.
Kita kongsi juga. Mana sana? Mana sana? Of course lah. Tak. Mana?
Awak jangan risau.
Satu je.
Jangan risau. Saya kali je.
Kita yoga. Berapa? Pakai yang
0.5.
Okey dah.
Thank you.
Ya, Aisyah.
Thank you, Ma.
Now run away from the blizzard. And my car smells like chocolate. Hey now think about what you do, think about what they say, think about what you think.
Ada orang nak jalan dengan I.
Ingatlah.
Gila, makin besar. Lama.
Weh.
Jom pergi dari sini ke sana.
Ah.
Oh, jom. Patah balik. Patah balik, kejap. Patah balik.
Lawa tu.
Apa itu? Sok. Apa perangai, Mika?
And now call it split, cause I know that you will.
Saya duduk dalam sikit.
Dah ni.
Saya dengar.
Aku nak kat sini. Kau nak mana? Kau nak kat sini.
Sini Malaysia.
Aku kat sini.
Fazana duduk. Pegang nak kotakkan ni. Boleh pernah?
Ada lelaki ni.
Ada. Cincang.
Kejap, sama. Jangan buka. Betul balik. Betul.
Oi, besar.